High-paying jobs play a role in helping people become financially independent and faster. Not everyone can get into those high paying professions, but if you're one of those wondering what the professions are, this video is for you. You may want this information as just an FYI for a career change or to influence those close to you to pursue the professions. Here are the 10 highest paying professions according to Monster.com based on mean salary. Number one, anesthesiologists. They earn $261,000 per year. Anesthesiologists administer anesthesia and manage pain. They give general anesthesia to put you to sleep during invasive surgical procedures. You will need 4 years of undergraduate, 4 years of medical school, 4 years of residency, and 1 year of fellowship. Number two, surgeons. They earn $252,000 per year. Surgeons perform surgery on patients due to injury, deformity, or diseases. It's the second highest paying job. It takes 12 to 14 years to become a surgeon after completing high school. It follows the same sequence of becoming an anesthesiologist. Number three, oral and maxillofacial surgeons. They earn $237,000 per year. To become an oral and maxillofacial surgeon, you will need to go to dentistry school after undergraduate and proceed to residency. It will take approximately 12 to 14 years after high school to become one. These surgeons perform surgery to correct diseases, injuries, and defects of the face, jaw, or mouth. Number four, obstetricians and gynecologists. They are also known as OBGYNs. They earn $233,000 per year. These physicians specialize in women's reproductive health and take care of women during pregnancy and delivery. They also perform surgeries of the reproductive system, including cesarean sections. It also takes 12 to 14 years to become an OBGYN. Number five, orthodontists. They earn $230,000 per year. Orthodontists are dentists that are trained to diagnose, prevent, and treat teeth and jaw irregularities. It takes about 11 years to become an orthodontist. Number six, prosthodontists. They earn $220,000 per year. Prosthodontists have similarities with orthodontists, but what sets them apart is that they deal with replacing missing teeth by the use of crowns and implants. It takes approximately 11 to 13 years after high school to become one. Number seven, psychiatrists. They earn $220,000 per year. It takes 4 years of undergraduate, 4 years of medical school, and 4 years of residency to become a psychiatrist. Psychiatrists help treat people with mental health issues and substance abuse disorders. Number eight, family medicine physicians. They earn $213,000 per year. It takes 4 years of undergraduate, 4 years of medical school, and 3 years of residency to become a family medicine doctor. Family medicine doctors diagnose and treat acute and chronic medical conditions. As of 2021, family medicine physicians are the fourth largest specialty in the US after psychiatrists, surgeons, and anesthesiologists. Number nine, ophthalmologists. They earn $203,000 per year. It takes 12 to 14 years to become an ophthalmologist after completing high school. They treat various eye conditions such as cataracts, macular degeneration, and glaucoma and perform surgery as indicated. Number 10, general internal medicine physicians. They earn $201,000 per year. It takes 12 to 14 years to become an internal medicine physician. The difference between family medicine physicians and internal medicine physicians is that internal medicine doctors focus on adult patients. As mentioned earlier, these numbers are only averages, and with years of experience and type of specialty, medical doctors can make $500,000 or more per year. It's interesting that the highest paying jobs are all in medicine. Medicine is obviously not for everyone. Pursue a career you're passionate about. Hopefully, it pays well enough to get you to be financially independent. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.